dear esteemed colleagues, warm welcome from the Florida State University, located in Tallahassee, Florida, the United States of America. My name is Dina VyortkinaAI. I'm the Assistant Dean for Innovation and Instructional Technology Enhancement in the Florida State University College of Education, Health and Human Sciences. Special thanks to Dr. Zainab, Head of Instructional and Informational Technology Department at the Faculty of Women, who I met in Egypt last year and again in February 2024 when she visited the Florida State University as part of the USAID Teacher Excellence Initiative study tour. We share many professional interests, and one of them is artificial intelligence. Thank you very much for organizing this conference and inviting me. I am very proud to report that our college was recently recognized as the best education school in Florida and #6 graduate education program in the entire United States of America. We are very proud of this achievement. It gives me great pleasure to share with you today my insights and resources about artificial intelligence in education, its challenges and opportunities. I am speaking with you today as an educator, faculty member in my college, innovator, researcher, human being, and a user of artificial intelligence, both for my personal and professional purposes. I know that your conference is packed with a very busy agenda when you discuss important issues related to artificial intelligence. This conversation is very timely because there are very rapid artificial intelligence developments, advances, and widespread adoption. AI is affecting all areas of our lives and labor markets, from healthcare to finance, agriculture, and of course education. We can just imagine what the demand for artificial intelligence skills in the future will be. They say that by the year 2030, about 40% of jobs will require AI skills, and it puts a huge pressure on us as educators. Artificial intelligence became a big part of our lives. Do you know that it was named as the Word of the Year in 2023? And quite recently, last week on April 19th, here in the United States, we celebrated the first ever National AI Literacy Day. Today, I would like to share with you some insights and resources about artificial intelligence in higher education and secondary schools, about the enormous opportunities, but also quite serious concerns and challenges we face. I would also like to pose a question to you about the role and responsibilities of the universities related to artificial intelligence and some other ideas of how we might move from AI exploration, just learning about AI, to AI transformation when we use AI and build it for educational purposes. What we as Faculty of Education can do to equip our graduates and future teachers to succeed in their jobs, but also make their students very successful in their jobs, and how we can implement generative technologies without sacrificing learning outcomes, trust, ethics, and safety. I would like to share with you today several resources that I collected specifically for your conference. I hope that you refer to these online resources in the future and will also share them with other colleagues and your students. Right here on the screen, you have a QR code to these resources, and Dr. Zainab will send you the link later. While building this collection for you, I focused on AI developments in Egypt, AI glossaries, AI history, AI developments in business and industry, but also importantly, what are the AI developments in higher education, teacher education, and secondary schools are. You will see many resources talking about AI in mathematics, in computer science, in reading, in teaching and learning languages, and other areas related to teacher preparation and professional development. The majority of these resources are in English, but several of them have translations into Arabic, or you can ask AI to translate them for you. Let's briefly discuss how artificial intelligence can benefit all of us working in higher education. Remember that resources that I shared with you online have use cases and examples for everything that I mentioned right now. Artificial intelligence can facilitate teaching and help students achieve learning outcomes. Some of the ways that AI can facilitate teaching and learning are by providing personalized feedback, adaptive learning paths, intelligent tutoring systems, plagiarism detections, and automated grading. AI can also help students with special needs, such as those with dyslexia or autism, by offering speech recognition, text-to-speech, and other assistive technologies. AI can also enhance student support by offering chatbots, virtual assistants, and recommendation systems that can answer common queries, provide guidance, and suggest resources. AI can also help with student retention and engagement by analyzing data and identifying students who are at risks of dropping out or performing poorly and providing timely interventions and support. AI can also boost research productivity by helping us find relevant literature, generate hypotheses, design experiments, analyze data, and brainstorm the outline for papers, articles, and lectures. AI can also facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing among researchers across disciplines and institutions by using natural language processing, semantic web, and social network analysis. AI can improve institutional effectiveness by helping administrators and staff with tasks such as enrollment management, budget planning, curriculum development, accreditation, and quality assurance. AI can also help optimize the use of physical and digital infrastructure, such as classrooms, labs, libraries, and online platforms, by using data analytics, optimizations, and automation. AI can also enhance communication and public relations by helping institutions create and distribute content such as press releases, newsletters, podcasts, and videos using natural language generation, speech synthesis, and computer vision. AI can also help monitor and manage the online reputation and brand image of the institution. The last item here talks about rankings that are considered to be very important for many American universities, and there are already some international systems that place the universities in ranking systems by how the university addresses artificial intelligence development. And there are already rankings of the undergraduate and graduate degrees in many universities. Now let's move from universities to secondary schools. So AI can facilitate instruction and help teachers deliver engaging and personalized lessons in various subject areas such as mathematics, science, languages, and arts by providing interactive tools, adaptive curricula, and intelligent tutoring systems. AI can also assist teachers with administrative tasks such as grading, scheduling, and attendance tracking, thereby reducing their workload and allowing them to focus on pedagogy and student support. AI can help teachers in creating contents with access to high quality educational contents, slides, text, videos, and images using natural language generation, speech synthesis, and computer vision. AI can also help generate questions, exercises, and quizzes based on the learning outcomes and the students' performance and preferences. In terms of designing assessment and feedback, AI can help teachers design and implement effective and fair assessment and feedback mechanisms. AI can also help analyze the students' progress and outcomes and provide timely and constructive feedback to improve learning and motivation. Speaking about personalizing learning, AI can help teachers and students tailor the learning process to the individual needs, abilities, goals, and interests of each student by using adaptive learning systems, recommend systems, and learner analytics. AI can also help foster a learner-centered and self-directed learning environment where students can explore their own interests and passions and develop 21st century skills such as creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. Assisting with report cards and also individualized education plans that are required in the US for special needs students. AI can help teachers and parents communicate and collaborate on students' academic and social development by using natural language generation, sentimental analysis, and data visualization. AI can help create and update report cards and individualized education plans for students with special needs. About data-driven decision making, which is very important in education. Artificial intelligence can help teachers, school leaders, and policymakers make informed and evidence-based decisions by using big data, data mining, and predictive analytics. AI can help identify and address the challenges and opportunities in the educational sector, such as equity, quality, efficiency, and innovation. School security is very important, and artificial intelligence can help ensure the safety and well-being of students, teachers, and staff by using facial recognition, object detection, and anomaly detection. AI can also help prevent and respond to emergencies such as fire, violence, or natural disasters by using video surveillance, alert systems, and disaster management systems. It brings us to the discussion of what we as Faculty of Education and universities overall can do in the area of artificial intelligence. Here on the screen, you see the summary of 5 principles from the universities in the United Kingdom, and I wholeheartedly agree with them. These 5 principles are: the universities will support students and staff to become AI literacy. Second, staff should be equipped to support students to use generative AI tools effectively and appropriately in their learning experiences. Number 3, universities will adapt teaching and assessment to incorporate the ethical use of generative AI and support equal access. Universities will ensure academic rigor and integrity are upheld. Universities will work collaboratively to share the best practices as the technology and its application in education evolves. What do you think about these principles, dear colleagues? I hope you agree. And if you disagree, what would you suggest? I hope it will be part of your discussion during the conference today and in the future. All of us already witnessed some benefits of artificial intelligence in our personal and professional lives. However, we are well aware now that artificial intelligence also has many challenges, and here I summarize some major concerns that are shared around the world, and they are potential bias, ethics violations, copyright infringement, and potential academic integrity violations. Speaking about bias, how can we ensure that AI systems are fair and use inclusive and don't discriminate or exclude students based on their gender, race, ethnicity, disability, or other factors? Speaking about ethics, how can we respect the privacy and autonomy of students and teachers and protect their data and personal information from misuse or abuse by third parties? Copyright. How can we safeguard the intellectual property rights of the creators and users of educational content and resources and avoid plagiarism or infringement? Academic integrity violations. How can we prevent or detect cheating, fraud, or dishonesty by students or teachers who may use AI to manipulate or deceive others? There are some of the questions that we need to address as we adopt AI in education, and we need to develop ethical principles and guidelines that can inform our decisions and actions. We also need to educate ourselves and our students about the benefits and limitations of AI and foster a culture of critical thinking, professional, and societal responsibility. Again, I hope that you will be able to discuss these concerns and challenges among yourselves at this conference, but also with your colleagues and students in your programs. Now, I would like briefly discuss what we do at FSU with artificial intelligence. First of all, we explore how it can benefit our students as learners, as professionals, teachers or researchers, or school counselors, and also as parents. We try to involve students in many conversations and decision-making process. We revise curriculum as appropriate, such as we add artificial intelligence topics to discuss their practical implications. We try to map assignments with artificial intelligence in mind. We try to revise them as needed. We also set and discuss ground rules. Not all our faculty use AI in their courses, but some are very active, but some are also conservative. We try to engage with colleagues through working groups, through professional development opportunities and training, and also information sharing. I hope that today you will be able to reflect on what you do in the area of artificial intelligence in your departments and what you would like to do in the future, together with your colleagues and your students. Earlier, I mentioned that part of my professional interest is collecting artificial intelligence resources. So I would like to share what I keep in mind when I collect and categorize those tools. Again, the links to these resources are available in the online collection I have already shared with you. When I review AI tools, I check if they fit the purpose, whether they are suitable for the intended audience, because some of AI tools are intended for younger learners. So are they age and developmentally appropriate? Are they compliant with data security and accessibility? Is help available from the developers if I have questions or need guidance? Of course, I look for free tools and availability of trial periods if I have to purchase these tools in the future. I hope you will be able to share some of your favorite AI tools during the conference and discuss their suitability for learning, teaching, and research. So what are my professional aspirations for the future? I would like to build an AI literacy framework for my colleagues in teacher education, but also for our students. Ideally, these resources will be available for them online as self-paced courses. There are established information technology conferences discussing these resources. As you know, there are competencies describing information technology skills, knowledge, and competence for teachers and for students. I would also like to contribute to the development of artificial intelligence competencies so we are able to create the best learning opportunities for our students in intellectually stimulating, ethical, and safe ways. I would like to continue creating resources and categorizing AI tools. You saw the list I shared with you, very long, but new resources appear on the regular basis. Some opinions do change and new tools become available. So I would like to curate those resources and make them available. I would also like to progress from AI exploration, not only learning what AI is and how it was developed, but also from AI exploration to AI transformation. Meaning, what do we do with artificial intelligence? How we develop AI tools and how we use them in practice. I would like to investigate how to improve the field of teacher education and how learning and teaching can be improved. Again, learning teaching, research, and publishing are the top areas for me at this time. I hope that you share the same sentiments and I do, and we can engage in collaborative research and discussion in these topics. In conclusion, as educators, we have a unique opportunity to shape the future of AI in education. We must embrace the challenges and opportunities that AI presents and work together to ensure that it is used ethically, responsibly, and for the benefit of all. Let us continue to explore, learn, and transform the field of education with AI, and equip our students with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that this presentation has inspired you to join me in this exciting journey. Thank you for the opportunity to share my insights today, and I am wishing you all success possible in your endeavors. May you achieve your goals and aspirations and continue to thrive and prosper. And what can be more fitting than asking artificial intelligence, in this case ChatGPT, to help me writing a poem devoted to your great Ain Shams University. It is my pleasure to meet you virtually, and I hope that we can see each other in the future and collaborate. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.